starting my barn find for the first time. I had a feeling that the PCM was keeping the car from getting fuel, so I swapped the PCM with one I got off of eBay. Oh, seems we got movement. With the new PCM, it actually sounded like it was gonna start. But I just wanted to make sure that it was getting proper ground, because some of the ground straps looked a little worn out. So I just put some jumper cables on the battery ground and then grounded the strut bar and the engine block. This is the first time this car has ran in over 5 years. When I pieced together the intake, I noticed that the adjustment screw on the AFM was all the way out, so I decided to adjust it back. Since there's a hole in the radiator, that's as far as I can go for today. See you next time.